Good day. My name is Jonalyn Acosta, 35 years old, from the province of Nueva Vizcaya, Philippines. I am married and I have 4 daughters, ages 9, 4, 2, and 3 months old. My highest educational attainment is a graduated of Associate in Computer Programming at Isabela State University. My hobbies are reading and sewing. My expertise is taking care of a child. I work as a housemaid here in the Philippines for 3 years, from January 2017 to January 2020. I serve 1 couple and 2 children, ages 3 and 5 years old. My duties and responsibilities is taking care of my children, do the laundry, cleaning, ironing, gardening, and other household chores. I am willing to take care of a newborn baby, and I can sing nursery rhyme like, the wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. To my future employer, please choose me as your housemaid because I am hardworking, honest, patient, obedient, kind, and trustworthy. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn and save money for my family and for the schooling of my children. I promise to become a good housemaid and prioritize my job and finish my 2 years contract and more. Thank you, Ma'am and Sir. I am looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.